14th century Shem Tov Bible goes on display at National Library of Israel. A rare and invaluable 14th century manuscript, known as the Shem Tov Bible, is now on public display at the National Library of Israel in Jerusalem. This marks the first time the ancient manuscript has been exhibited since being purchased last year by a private family for a multimillion-dollar sum. The Shem Tov Bible, written in 1385 in Soria, Spain, is one of the oldest surviving complete Hebrew Bibles. Handwritten on parchment, the Bible reflects the deep religious and cultural traditions of medieval Spanish Jewry. Its fine Sephardic script and meticulously decorated pages showcase the artistic and scholarly sophistication of the Jewish community in pre-Inquisition Spain. According to curators at the National Library, the Shem Tov Bible is not just a religious text but a historical artifact that reflects the resilience of Jewish life during a turbulent era. It is named after its scribe, Shem Tov ben Isaac ben Adutil, who copied the Bible by hand and included several marginal notes and commentaries. Scholars believe these notes offer rare insights into the lives and beliefs of Jewish communities in medieval Europe. The family that purchased the Shem Tov Bible has chosen to keep their identity anonymous, but their decision to loan the manuscript to the library has been hailed as a generous act of cultural preservation. The exhibit allows scholars, students, and visitors from around the world to view and study this exceptional work up close. In addition to the Shem Tov Bible, the exhibit features a selection of other rare manuscripts and historical documents from the same period, allowing visitors to gain broader insight into the Jewish experience in medieval Spain. Educational programs, guided tours, and lectures will accompany the exhibit during its run. National Library Director Oren Weinberg said, "We are honored to host such a precious and meaningful manuscript. This is a moment of great cultural significance not only for Israel, but for Jewish communities worldwide." The Shem Tov Bible will remain on display for several months, with the possibility of extended viewing depending on public interest. Scholars are hopeful the exhibit will spark renewed attention to the preservation and study of ancient Jewish texts.